What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a genuine P365 XL magazine overview. So if you guys have bought this 12 round capacity magazine and you bought it for the P365 or the 365 XL, there is a difference in the actual installation, and it comes in the 365 XL configuration. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to install it into the 365 base model configuration. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it, and this should be super quick and simple for you guys. Alright, so when it shows up on your doorstep and you go ahead and open it out of the box, there's going to be three parts. It's going to be the magazine converted into the current XL version, and this there's the base plate and then this little extender cap here. So we'll go ahead and show you guys what to do. So you are going to want either, you can use a pen, honestly, that's probably what most of you guys are going to use, but I just happen to have this little screwdriver right here. So on the bottom of this magazine, there is going to be a little circle here that you're going to push down, push this out, and I would say when you're pushing this down, you're going to push the base plate forward here. So you go boom, push it forward, it's going to continue going. And if I let go, this is spring loaded, so notice that if I let go, it is going to start coming out. You might want to wear safety glasses or something just in case when you're doing this, but that's besides the point. So there you go. This is the default spring, or the OEM spring, and with this installation, obviously we're not changing this. We're not using mag guts or anything in this exact video. Alright guys, so now that we have the spring uninstalled from the magazine, or the magwell, we can go ahead and take a look into how to put it back together with the correct extended bottom with base plate rather than the 365 XL base plate. So real quickly, hopefully you guys can tell which way forward is on the magazine. It's going to be this way in this case. Go ahead and install the spring back into it. Once it's in, make sure it looks like what you're used to in terms of making sure that the spring is in correctly. It won't go in all the way if it's not, but then go ahead and compress the spring. The sharp parts here, hopefully this focuses real quickly, the sharp part of this extender plate goes forward towards like which way the bullet faces up here, so it's going to go the same way, and the perfectly circled back is going to go into the back of, it's going to go in towards the back of the gun right here. Obviously it's going to be this way, but just make sure the pointy part is going forward. So once you have the spring compressed right here, go ahead and install this as best you can. Sometimes it is easier to do it with this finger holding it down. Forward it's going to be this way. So once you get it all the way in, you'll notice the spring is still not under control. It still does need to be compressed in here while you're doing this. So the base plate is on. Now if I let this all go right here, the extender here is gonna go flying. So make sure you get the base plate, push this all the way down, because if it's not all the way down, you can't actually lock the extender down. It has to be all the way down when you do this, because this is locking into the actual magazine, well, not just simply into the extender here. So go ahead and get it started. You're gonna have to push down the spring here. Make sure it's down enough that you can actually slide it all the way in. And there you go. When you do it, it should pop, and in my case, the spring came right into place, so everything is good. I can give it a little wiggle, make sure it's all good. It's not going anywhere either direction, and that's simply the installation. Now, if for some reason you wanted to take this off, reinstall the P365 XL base plate, you're going to do everything in reverse. You simply just push this back out. This is how you install any other extended or base plate or anything as well, or for that matter, the exact same way that I'm going to be doing the mag guts installation for my P365 XL. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys learned something. If you want to see the mag guts installation here, I am going to be doing another video on that for my P365 XL build. And yeah, that'll be the next video. Hopefully it's put out the same day or the next day from this video. So If you guys want to watch that, I will leave a link down in the description, or it should pop up on the screen. Who knows if I can figure that out. I am new to YouTube, but hopefully I figure that out. So thank you guys. If I helped you guys out, if you wouldn't mind leaving a like, it would be greatly appreciated. And have a good one, guys.